James O'Keefe, farming here at Creva, across the Keel, Kells, County Meath, in North Meath. I'm farming here with my wife, Zita, and my mother, Anne-Marie. We have an organic tillage farm here. That's the main part of the farm. It's about 300 acres all up. We're stockless organic. We also farm some Miscanthus for animal bedding, growing here behind me. We have a bit of forestry as well. Some of the cereals are grown for food markets, porridge, milling wheat, and maybe some for the distilling industry as well. We're working on that as well at the moment. And then the surplus, which will be the vast majority, will be sold for animal feed directly to farmers. So bringing farmyard manure, chicken litter, slurries. We've built a farmyard manure slab specifically to bring those in all year round and compost it there. Miscanthus, growing Miscanthus for animal bedding, it's very unique. Sequesters carbon. We developed an animal bedding market for at least 10 years ago. It's worked well, and we've since put in more. Big focus on soil health. We're really strong rotation, that's the key here. Diverse rotation with cereals, beans, combi crops, peas and barley, peas and wheat, red clover then as well. It's typically a 6-year rotation, and then we'll always have cover crops in over the winter if we've spring crops to follow, protect the soil, and we'll contract grazing sheep to eat those down and recycle nutrients back into the ground. We have combi crops growing where this different biodiversity can live there rather than just monocultures all the time. Change management of hedgerows. We have a lot of mature trees around the farm. There's waterways all through this farm because we're in a low-lying area, so we have appropriate buffers for those, and we have additional riparian buffers. I suppose recently we put in a PV generation on a shed in the yard for producing electricity to sell to the grid. Do have plans to measure carbon in the farm. I suppose I did a calculation myself a while ago, and it seemed quite positive for the organic farm, and with a little bit of forestry, and we have the Miscanthus. Like any farm, you're only minding it for a short time, so yeah, definitely would love to be able to hand over to my son Michael, because we're here for about 6 generations, and Michael will be the 7th.